What's up, y'all? Happy freaking Thursday, y'all. I just rubbed my eye and I think I had something hot on my fingers. Oh my god, my eyes burning. I was messing with them seasonings. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I told y'all that we are having a problem with our sink. It's not it's something stuck, something's wrong. Okay, one of my wonderful Yummybitestv told me to get this what do you call it? Fire. Anyway, I ordered it. Okay, I'm supposed to go pick it up. It's ready to be picked up right now. But yeah, so hopefully that works, because this don't work. Okay, that did not work. What else? He used vinegar and baking soda, I believe it was. That has not worked. So like I said, hopefully this other stuff that I got from Ace Hardware works. Okay. So this kitchen is a freaking mess and it's driving me crazy, y'all. I'm trying to figure out how can we wash these daggone dishes without this sink. Yeah. So I'm probably just gonna wait to see if that other stuff works. But y'all, look at this kitchen. Like, y'all, look at this freaking kitchen. It is out of control. I want y'all to see it before it gets clean. Like, it's driving me freaking crazy. This, I can just clean this. That's no problem. And I can, like, I guess bunch up all the dishes and like put them together and then just clean off these counters so it'll look better. But yeah, this is what I am freaking dealing with right now. Look at this daggone stove. Anyway, I'm boiling water for my little drink that I have, whatever. But yeah, this is, yeah, so I'm just gonna get all these dishes together and clean the counters at least right now. Not only is the sink not working, this microwave is not working. The some of the electricity outlets, most of them down here, it's not working. Just those over there, we have like this. Yeah, it's so hard to explain to you, but we're having electricity issues. Y'all, things are just not right now. It's just not right now, okay? But we're gonna get it together. The electrician man can't come until next week because he was sick on Monday. He was supposed to come on Monday. He was sick. And so he said that he can come on this Thursday. And I was like, oh, don't feel comfortable with that. Like, you think that you're not sick no more after you said you were sick on Monday? Like, and it's just Thursday? No, I don't feel comfortable with that. So, yeah, he's not gonna come until next week. So hopefully he's all the way fine. So yeah. Yeah, let me fix this streak real quick. Y'all, I'm over here putting the groceries up and forgot to film the haul. So we got, this is a Costco haul, y'all. We got 2 watermelons. We got some cilantro lime crema. And a big old thing of baking soda. I will be tearing these up today. Delicious. Y'all, why they don't sell the coconut panko shrimp anymore? I'm so mad. But yeah, they don't have them anymore. Alright, y'all, I bought this vegetable blend. You can see it through there. And where's my other stuff? Hold on. Boom. Y'all, they did not have the ones that I got when me and Murder Show did that ravioli video. They didn't have those, so they had these, so I'm gonna try these. Yeah, your girl gonna have to eat inside the house for a couple of days because the weather is not gonna be good for the next couple of days. And I got these Alaska salmon burgers. I'm gonna be eating that. So I'm gonna have this, a salad, and those fried shrimp today. So I can't wait. I'm excited. All right, y'all, we got it. Thank you, Jesus. This is what one of my Yummy Biters sent me today to use. And this is what we are gonna use. So we're gonna see if it works. All right, y'all, boom. Made the salad. It's just romaine lettuce, these beautiful colorful tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, and yeah, I'll let y'all know what dressing when I do the video. Butter Show said this does not work. He said it didn't work. So we're just gonna wait for that tool that he has coming in the mail, and he gonna try to unclog it that way. All right, y'all, so I just made the cutie Q sauce. Y'all, this is one of the best sauces you ever want to try, and it is no lie. I've used it several times, and I'm using it again today after a very long time of not using it. Oh my God, y'all, this stuff is so good. Just try it. There's plenty of tutorials on YouTube. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be so good. Y'all, and I use this to sweeten it because it calls for sugar, but I use this. Substitution for sugar, and all you have to do is use just a tiny, tiny bit of it. Oh yeah, shrimp ready. What's up, y'all? Happy Thursday. Outfit of the day, fit check. All right, y'all, so this skirt comes from, I do believe, Shein. This, y'all, I think I got this from Marshall's like a really, really long time ago. Did it come from Marshall's? Y'all, you know what? I think this might have came from City Trends. Yes, y'all, I have my red sandals to match the flowers in the shirt. And yeah, y'all, this is the fit. Y'all let me know if y'all like it. Yes, I'm showing a little bit of that, just a little bit of that. Anyway, y'all, I cooked today, so we are doing a video on my set, so stay tuned. Cutie Q sauce, y'all. We got some fried shrimp. We have a salmon burger. Everything is homemade with a beautiful salad with avocado ranch dressing. Y'all, my camera just cut off again. All right. What's up, y'all? Okay, so I am back to try these Little Debbie ice creams. Did y'all know about this? I got these from Walmart. They went like viral on TikTok, but I never did it. And my girl, my Yummy Biter, Cherie, mentioned it, and she was like, you should do that. So I was like, okay, shoot, I'm gonna do it. So they have different kinds. Okay, so they have the Little Debbie honey buns. I know everybody loves those. The Star Crunch ice cream. We have the Swiss rolls. We have the strawberry shortcake rolls. We have the oatmeal cream pie. And what is this? The unicorn. Oh my God, I can't even see y'all. The unicorn sparkle strawberry. What is this? I never had this one. This must be new. Unicorn sparkle strawberry. Whatever that is, okay? Y'all let me know in the comments, have y'all tried these yet? So we're gonna start with the honey bun one, y'all. The most popular, I'm sure. Okay. You know what? I need a thumbnail. Hold on. Okay, that's good enough. Okay. Dang, I gotta take this off. Well, that's good. They add a nice little piece of protection on here. Okay. All right. We ain't gonna waste a lot of time taking the whole thing off. Okay. Okay. There's a nut in there. Why is there a nut? Mmm. The nut tastes just like the freaking, what is this? The Cinnabon, the honey bun. God, it tastes just like it. Wow, it is so good. Wow. I can't believe it. Got two more of them nuts. Y'all, that is amazing. Mmm. Is that a nut or is that honey bun? Like honey buns. Spot on. Spot on for the honey bun, y'all. Okay. I'm trying that boy back around. Okay, so next is a Star Crunch ice cream. God, it tastes just like honey buns. Wow. Oh, oh, we're getting messy. Okay, no Bailey. Okay, no. All right, that's what it looked like, y'all. I didn't even show y'all the other one, but really, you couldn't see anything with this one. It just looked like vanilla ice cream. Okay. Oh wow, it's nice and soft. Wow. Mmm. So it has chocolate in here, vanilla, and it has like chunks of the Star Crunch actual dessert. And it's crunchy like, you know, like the actual dessert. And it's so good. And it tastes just like it. I can't believe it. I haven't had ice cream in a long time. Oh, this is so good. It's so good. Y'all have to try these. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I like this so much. The Star Crunch, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't eat those. But this ice cream is bomb. I gotta put this up. My God. I really like this one. That piece of chocolate was so good. Okay. Come on now. Ooh, chocolatey. All right, what is this? Swiss rolls. Can't stand these, y'all. Can't stand them. Marshall loves them. It's good. Oh my God. Just to let y'all know, these are quality ice creams. They're smooth. There's chunks of the Swiss roll up in here. And it's good. I just got a big chunk. They really, wow. I'm so proud. They really did great with these ice creams, y'all, for real. This one is a strawberry shortcake. God, I hope this is good. I hope it is good. I don't think I've ever even tried the strawberry shortcake pastry or whatever it is. I don't think I've ever tried it. This is what it looked like. Oh, that's a chunk of something. Oh my God, that's cake. Can y'all see that? That's cake. Oh my God. This is it. Yo. Is that a big old piece of cake? Yo, there is cake in here. This is dangerous. This is amazing. It tastes just like strawberry shortcake, y'all. That don't make a bit of sense. This is so good. I just want another big chunk of cake. Oh my God. Oh, so good. Oh, that's good. Okay. Oatmeal cream pie. This is like the most popular, I'm sure. I don't mind a oatmeal cream pie, but of course I don't eat them anymore, but I used to. They were actually good with like vanilla ice cream. Y'all let me know, what did y'all pair them with? Cause I know people pair these with like different stuff. Chunks of oatmeal cream pie in there. I can see it. There's actual, like, oh my God. So good. Oh my God. It tastes just like oatmeal cream. Oh my God. It's like oatmeal cream pie with vanilla ice cream. Exactly what I used to do. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's very straight to the point. That is delicious. Wow. Okay, so this unicorn, I know nothing about it. Nothing. We're about to try. Look at that. How cute. I'm guessing this is, oh, those are purple little dots in there. Purple and green, what? There's sprinkles. A strawberry ice cream with like candy sprinkles in it. I wonder if that's what all that's in there. Let me see if there's anything else. There's a lot of these little crunchy candies. I don't know if it's sprinkles or not, but that's just the first thing that comes to my mind. Kids will love that one. Children. All the rest of these is for us. Okay. Like, yum. Are you kidding me? That is good. This was fun. These are really good, okay? Anyway, y'all let me know if there's anything else y'all want me to try. Put it down in the comments. This is a good idea, Cherie. Thank you so much, girl. These are amazing. Wow. Y'all should go try these. Like I said, I got mine from Walmart. I don't know if you can get them from anywhere else, but just Google it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I ordered these from Walmart and they delivered them to my house. So yeah, that's an option, y'all. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I don't even know how to end this because this is not a mukbang. I'm putting this on my vlog channel. Yeah. So yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace. Bye. Y'all look at Bailey looking at that horse over there. And the horse is looking, well, the horse was looking over here. She said, forget y'all. Bailey, chill. She ain't trying to do nothing. Bailey, always ready for something. Stop, Bailey. Always ready for something. Bailey, come here. Come. We're not going over there. Bailey is obsessed with this daggone horse. See, the horse is leaving. The horse is leaving, Bailey. Come on here. That's enough. Golly. Come on here. Bailey, stop. Running around in circles. Stop. Stop it.